Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your watch list on Gumtree. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gumtree.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gumtree website. Click on the login button at the top right corner if you haven't already logged in by using your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you can browse through the various different products that you might be interested in. When you find some product that you are interested in or any kind of service, you can add it to your watch list, which is also called your favorites, by clicking on the heart icon at the right side of this advertisement. You can add any number of items into your favorites list, which serves as your watch list. You can also click on Save Search Alert, and now this will create an alert when new ads appear within this category. Now, if you wish to clear these watch lists, click on the menu icon at the top right corner and then click on Favorites. Within the Favorites section, there is no particular list by which you can delete all of the entries, but you can simply click on the heart icon once again to remove them from your favorites or your watch list right away. If you have created an alert for any category, you can also click on My Alerts and then just click on the delete button in order to delete the alert, which also serves as a watch list. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your watch list on Gumtree. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.